Alright, we've got this little cart here. Pretty cool little four-wheel drive cart. It's got a music and a remote even, yeah. Pretty cool. Don't take off. Don't go anywhere. No. That's what happens when you don't have the remote with you. This thing. Yeah, kids press the gas and they run into things. So anyway, what I wanted to show you was, after I turned that key off, that I disconnected the battery. I just clipped the wires right off of it because it was dead and it wouldn't hold a charge. And I got this adapter to put a 20-volt dewalt battery in here. And then it's pretty nice because when it starts getting low, you can just check your voltage there. And instead of taking the time to charge, you can just use that. Yeah, the voltage I think was 12 volts, but now it's 20. And it goes faster, but not that much faster. That's in medium speed. In high speed, it definitely goes faster. Get in. So there we have it. 20 volts. And that's on the high speed setting. Actually, it's medium. Doesn't turn very sharp. That's one thing I can definitely say that this thing is lacking in turning ability.